Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Seville. Just an absolutely stunning vehicle. Red with red and white interior, chrome accents all throughout the vehicle, wide white wall tires, the iconic tail fins on this 59 Cadillac. Just an absolute stunning vehicle. It does come with soft touch, soft enclosed trunk, which again is pretty advanced for a 1959. Just an absolutely beautiful car here. As we walk around this car, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida. Keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars, and the other 20% are luxury, European, and or exotic. Back to this 59 Cadillac. If I'm going too fast with the camera or there's an angle you'd like to see better, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com, as we have over 100 pictures of this vehicle on the website. It is outside with much better light, so you can see the interior with much better light. Along with the bottom of the vehicle as well. Go ahead and open up the engine compartment here. Do see AC compressor, power brakes, power steering. Again, very, very well done restoration. 390 cubic V8. Automatic, just a beautiful, beautiful car. Iconic vehicle of the late 50s and really of an entire generation of American-made cars. This 59 Cadillac is absolutely stunning and certainly beautiful. Red exterior with a white top and the red and white interior, leather interior to match. Just a beautiful color combination on this vehicle. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Classic Cars, at 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much.